Hi, Park Laners. Michelle Zito here in New York to talk to you a little bit today about choosing a create your own kit. Now, this has been a tremendous hit, and we know that our new team members have really been enjoying choosing their own jewelry for their starter kit. Now, it is very important for the maximum success of our new stylists that we help them choose the right kit. What we actually need to help them choose is a SMART kit. S-M-A-R-T, SMART. S is for styles other than your own. So we need to remember we are a full service jewelry company. And what that means is that we carry a variety of styles. So when you, if you're choosing your own kit right now, or you are helping a new team member choose their kit, they really shouldn't just choose the style that they would wear, because that limits your market. When you want to go out and sell jewelry and be successful with selling jewelry, you want to have a variety of styles that will suit any different taste that comes to our party. So whether we are choosing, that you need to choose different, whether you want the big, the small, the trendy, the traditional, all of those different styles need to be chosen. So when choosing, remember to choose a style, several styles other than your own. M is for mixture of metals. Now, we are able to help people get on the mixed metal trends by really mixing the metals in more than one way. One is that you need to choose a number of metals throughout the kit. So make sure that you're not just choosing all silver. We need silver, gold, hematite, rose gold. And to even choose pieces that are mixed within the piece. So we have several pieces, such as the chrome that I have on here, that do the mixing of the metals for you. So it's great to have a piece or two that will show the mixed metal within the piece, and as an overall to choose from the assorted metals that are available. A is to aim for 17 to 22 pieces. So by having a range of 17 to 22 pieces in your kit, that means that you will have chosen the right. R is for range of prices. So the range of prices, we kind of have that $18 to $36 range. We have the $36 to $88 range, and then we have the $90 and above range. And it's very important that we choose a variety of pieces in these different ranges in order to help customers build their 2 and 4 sale order. So the lower price pieces are for the 2 regular, and then of course the variety of pricing for their half price items. And you do want those reach pieces also. So we want those pieces that people will book for. So you want to have a range of prices. And then T, again, reminding you about the style. You want some trendy and you want some traditional and everywhere in between. So we've created for you a worksheet that you can use while selecting a kit. And you'll see that there are 3 squares in some categories and 4 in another. This is just a general outline to help you choose from all the different categories. So for example, the categories on here, of course, we have the 4 different metals. We have colorful and mixed, and then long, dainty. Thank you items, because those are important to have in your kit to help you book shows. And then the 3 different price points that I mentioned. So if you choose a soul necklace, you'll be able to check off several boxes with one necklace, right? You can check off long, you can check off silver, you can check off thank you item, and you can check off 90 and above. So help your team members choose various pieces. When somebody puts a focus bracelet into their kit, now they get to check off hematite, they get to check off the lower price point, and there's 2 things right there. For a piece like Blake, lower price point, you can check off trendy, you can check off gold, you can check off long, all with 1. And then a piece like Tess, allows you to check off thank you award. It allows you to check off mixed as well as long. And then, like I was saying, you want those reach pieces, put an impressions bracelet in there. This is a very traditional piece, and it is the over $90. So we have all different categories that the various pieces of jewelry that we have will allow your kit to fulfill, so that when you go do your shows, you have a fabulous assortment of jewelry. And remember, of course, your kit is the jewelry that you're adding to the jewelry that you are receiving with your launch party, the hostess benefits. So if you have a 10 order launch, which of course we want you to have, that's $400 in jewelry. Let's say you add your Fast 50s, that's $500 in jewelry credit. You're getting a thank you piece. So right there, that's at least $600 in jewelry value. You may, of course, still add on half price items and hostess only, but even with just the credit and the thank you, you're at about $600 in value, plus the $1,000 from your standard kit, and that would be about $1,600 worth of jewelry or more that you're going to be out there taking to your shows. And if you choose a smart kit, then you'll have a fabulous assortment that will yield you great sales, great bookings, and will inspire people to want to join your team. So please make sure that you guide all of your new team members to choose a smart kit.